Yes, good afternoon. This is Anthony Vance One. I'm an attorney in Clifton, New Jersey, and today I'd like to talk about a obscure legal remedy that's used by prosecutors and police throughout the country called civil forfeiture. This process, known as civil forfeiture, which is a civil, not a criminal remedy, is used by police and prosecutors to basically confiscate property or other assets, including cash or jewelry, from people. Whether or not those people are being charged with a crime or simply suspected of a crime or not charged at all. And it can be done in the context of showing that property itself or cash, whatever, is so-called guilty property. In other words, that it's suspicious in origin. And once that money or asset is taken from you by the government or the police, it's up to you to prove that you had a right to it and that that money or assets were legally obtained. Different examples: you own a home, your child is found with marijuana in the house. The police come in the house, find the marijuana in your son's room, and confiscate the whole house. It's up to you to show that you are innocent of any activities and that the son did whatever he did without permission. Or you're driving to Atlantic City with a lot of cash because you want to go gambling. You get stopped by the police, they see the cash and they deem it suspicious. They take the cash. You're without the cash until you get a lawyer and you go to the prosecutor and you fight to get your money back. And usually what they will do is they'll have you sign a release saying you promise not to sue for false arrest or false prosecution in order to get the money back, assuming you can make a case to show that it's innocent property. This type of egregious activity, of course, is definitely fills the coffers of the state, local, and federal governments, which on the federal level has taken in over $11 billion worth of property. This doesn't count also money and property taken by local, state agencies, which can be probably several $billion as well. So you need to be aware of your rights. In New Jersey, there's only one bill that was put forward recently, Senate 2267, basically to restrict the prosecutor's right for this remedy, and that was, of course, vetoed by the governor. We know the Attorney General, Jeffrey Sessions, is in full favor of this so-called prosecutor's weapon. It doesn't matter if innocent people are deprived of their right to their property, because they can always say that some of it is belonging to big drug dealers or terrorists or whatever. So be aware of your rights. Make sure you're careful if for any reason you're transporting cash or jewel, other valuables, that you have receipts, etc., because you never know when you might have to prove that that property belongs to you. Thank you for this time, and if you need to reach me, you can call 973-246-9659 or reach me at my website, www.cliftontrafficlawyer.com.